Yani ebe kan sene esimi etie. Yani ebe sene esimi etie. Meka se enne His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Asia Ghana Nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ. Se you may be some questions on behalf of Ghana. The question be obia fasuma Nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no. The fa koma ye mampeni. Me di akwasi si asɛm di kabre na edu se meka se Kingdom Herbal Industries now so yasne or the Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Kingdom Garlic Bitters. And a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. So say ne adie ba ko a ekun krofo pa ye high cholesterol. Cholesterol e wosro pa. Ene adie ekum amanfo because ye sheda nye exercise. Ena ye di nwan ne gumo na e pile na starch ne fat ne wo wom ne nyina no e pile oni padwanim. Unya adure betimi swan wo cholesterol so dia ma ye pa e ye Kingdom Garlic Bitters and as a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. And no better see one yari no we obwa. Senya ka na bo onye tuo ne bo de na mpacho yare. Anaduabo. Senya sa na ma mensa we mu mpa de mpacho no yare. Pe adure be bo se ne be ya dan dan nyina be nya ahode akọ e de aba. Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ni nyina ye adwuma ba akọ. Ba obi wo pe to paye, obi su pensuo. Ense na ope ne bia no agye de saa. Ghana ba bia to adure bia no akọ a Unya Kingdom and the be enter. At 4 and 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenger. And I pay and Asem be a see. I was sentiment about my manjo line. Story na Rose Mr. Sentiment Menra Emma Nipa Bakura for match training kwa. You see, assembly member killed, 2 injured as clash between Mpatuam youth and Asamco mine escalate. The breaking news also Alopeya, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Wafre, the Managing Director of Asamco Mines. Alopeya, Wafreno for an emergency meeting over this. Asem United wa. Ese emebuna wo Mpatuam wo asantemantam ebuafu ese asojafo a ewen Asanko mines for concession no omo atutuo amana abo abrante baako na ese assemblyman no ese asemebunu buafu ntino ono mebunu kokasa se ne be ya abotom betimi aba ene se ese Asanko mines for a secret for no hu se wona no concession madwe ye omo se ono ba betu omo guo nibe se sanituo edegu nso a wotina na no wo se nu ase yeri new hospital na to na odane etoye na mam video na twese ne emebru de ebufuo no ekọ eye Asanko for no so ma hye Asanko for no cars bebre ene omon free nyuma wo bebre am de eye adwuma to de se emebru ye wo Mpatuam ye wo Asante mantem ti ombuafu pa se Asanko for ifa de no mo kai akwa ko wiem se Asanko mines akasa kra bae no ade efend corporate social responsibilities ya also mtimi ye de boase na be amanfo mu too good from asase so no wa brabo mtimi ha wo de so mkra mo enye tinse bebre na ababa quickly no pay eye Asanko mine for the statement about bonten in response to sir allegations we ya ekoso enyina mama Asanko mine for press statement na fe ye no ye sen mankasa asuko me Asanko mine for press statement no mo issue no ne anopay no so this Asanko mines omo press statement omo ne ba ne anopay o say Asanko Gold Ghana Limited clarifies incident at Mpatuam. Asanko Gold Ghana Limited, Asanko or the company, wishes to provide a following statement regarding an incident that occurred at its concession near Mpatuam on September 9, 2025. The incident involved a confrontation between military personnel and community members on the company's operating concessions in the Galamseyers South District of Ghana. The military presence forms part of the state-mandated security intervention coordinated through the Ghana Chamber of Mines. Tensions escalated within the local community, leading to civil unrest, an attack on the military camps, and an invasion of the mining operational areas. These events led to a fatality and significant damages to contractor equipment. The company shares the community's grief over the tragic loss of life and extends its heartfelt condolences to the affected families during this difficult time. Asanko is working closely with local authorities, government officials, and community leaders to address the situation. The company remains committed to maintaining constructive dialogue with all stakeholders as investigations proceed. The company will provide further updates once investigations are complete. Signed, management, Asako Gold Ghana. It's almost so I say, Mpatuam Bruno, and a to share. Almost so for the so. And a coffee assignment to Mossano at the buy. Na Galamseyers and Semno, kaya as a good year. And as part of raising city Ghana water for some pe a year and tumu say PS into me about best 280% increment no in yes say Galamsey nitama ene eno yo moto e de so ne yensuso no akosoro Galamsey say ababedru pempe so say emaburu no etimi nya akokodro bokra timi confronter security personnel Galamsey abedu pepe so be say nese etu anka ho a yekoko na enye ye Galamsey enanu the central regional minister e kan semitie say Galamsey for one free man tem afi do mo kra ensuo e no mo nom to mo say ensuo ye o free man tem a wonwene ho tiasman the central regional minister e de tudwa
Ochrepenyin ni sembia wadi ya tujwa eni se wonuma ye Galamsey ewo man ye mu no sese wa hyase a wonumu ekrensuo efrema no ne agidi wonumu enjuma esanso man mu nsuo de eyade se wase ni nyina ani ne senti ode to sentrefu enemu se wonboan bode horo emfasa Galamsey ye ho abra wo kyerɛ ne nsɛm sei eno kan
sabe hwehwɛ wadwum ne bi so de awu kakra bedinsi oniana a time is coming in this country where even when you have the money to buy a bottle of water for 10,000 or 1,000 cedis, whatever, you will not be sure of the content of the water you'll be taking. What about that? Your baba, your brother, man, nobody, your bottom sooner you. You better bring what can suit baby one Morgana. When I was saying sooner ye Wagana, partner, one Musa, one Musa Ghana, what terms who are brutin, one, what time and some say, Papa, I'm not able to me to be. Mama, my and father, my dear, among some another camera, some ye beja ya kebike, a quadruno, you suru margin. Eto bottle water, eto pure water na onye sachet water na azade. He no be fiaba. Osa na dodo na Ghana water fu wonsu ya na wo yusu. Dodo na monsu ya na wo packaging water be onto na monsu mo dey bufu. Wan sa atre monsu mo ye bi. So bi bottle monsu 2 cedis na wa ton wen yan 1,000 cedis a. Ono monsu mba bi waso wa start wo ye bi. Into waso was na wo ye ba this wo be fin ya ba. O me nhwe
me dey see na oti asma minister kan ye mfimfio. Muma yemfa Galamsey kono enya amanyosem. Muma yemfa Galamsey kono enye amanyosem. Enano ye ka asem kro na bi nipa bi adwen omo se. Enyo ma ban na woso nti so kwa kan sa ade a you are saying something to favor aban no. Baba kasa asem over and over again say. The moment you politicize Galamsey kono pe and a kono be ye den. So what did the central regional minister? Near Ayo si akwan wo okon mu ye pa eye amanyo sem na aba be frano. It was mo me yemfa ekono nye amanyo sem. And the one ye Galamsey of free man tem. Ya so mo kra nsuo no manom because the free man tem so no was saying nyina. And the minister said, "I bedu ebi no ukuta sika nsuo kra so nya bi no ato." Germany for say poison munsuo. Ye de yen and ye poison yan kase nsuo. That's why make us say okuna baba ye akua or se me no mienu fa de boy bo. And you say na so ye NDC ni na so party pani bi ye Galamsey na ye ka e ma bo fu. E be ka kuta sika nsuo wo nya bi no ato according to central regional minister. Na yeso yi ni skade betimi akra bi ni so be dey. Etu mu wadwi kwa yo say e na me party na betiro me aka me party na sem o aka party na so am no benya issue a e beto mrebe no o be mu ne wontasuo na asa na ho na bo say yes sem penifo ne diabro. Ye gya ye ho sa ne ma Galamsey e se o man no. Ye gya ho sa ne ma Galamsey e se o man no. Eti enne NDC condemn Galamsey. MPP na condemn Galamsey. But when MPP was in power, now people defend Galamsey. Now NDC condemn it. And this is defending Galamsey. Now MPP are condemning. I'll grow yedi. Maybe a new maybe a minister cano. A 50-month for Masha say a nyaho Mpopuye. E be a new. E be a could one more, ya bet yasie. E be a court near cocodu, some pensona, e be a bet yasie. Because of a man of 77 gun and it to be Yabrebukra and me on his own. My party say, my by say, nothing else. You true one more. A big queen, any. Kingdom Herbal Center. On a phone the party of Bejasso. Eh, Obinas, yeah, because what I say, fetch me. You know, fetch what? Fetch me bread and tea. Okay. I was say I just joined. Why are you signing up? Fetch me bread and tea. My father said, I come Kingdom Herbal Center. I'm not going to Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsule, dear Bejasso. I do papa. Me say cholesterol ni pejuma ko hospital catch us wo cholesterol challenges a edro betimi abo Kingdom Garlic Bitters ana ne capsules ebu bia ope bia no okwa ansa beka bi ato o member bi eton do bia akwa so pe Kingdom Garlic Bitters pe bitters aso pe Kingdom Garlic Capsules to bi ma abre one otifie no abranto nso to bi ababa wa nso to bi na mua oye pa atufo frɛ 0275 804-064 0275-804-064 and 0302-938-153 0302-938-153 Kingdom or see no challenge. I'm going to say asene emi ade asemi di kadwumadi ebro me di akwasi ensia pese mu eto aso makra